Hi, Poppa-Top here. Thought I'd take you on a trip with me from the mountains to the sea. We're gonna go from Mount Rainier to near ocean shores, past Aberdeen, and it's close to Highway 101. So here we're starting out in Elbe Hills. It's pretty much at the base of Mount Rainier. It's an OR. Oh, I almost missed my turn. This is my favorite camping spot. It's off of Skate Creek Road near Mount Rainier. It's only open a couple months out of the year. Looks like we have some cedar and fir. They're definitely giants. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Please share and leave a comment. It really helps the channel. We're headed west. Got a few more stops along the way before we make it to the beach. I always try and find a few roadside attractions, give my legs some exercise, walk my dog. This is Alder Lake. It's a reservoir. Right now it's a little bit low. Normally we'd see a lot of boats and jet skis out there. But when it gets low, there's stumps. That's no bueno. Also, it's normally flat as glass. A lot of fun on a tube. We're heading west now. Decided to make my way towards Westport. It's a small fishing town. We're near the state capitol now. This is Westport Beach. We're allowed to drive on the beach here in some areas. Pretty sure you have to have a good to go pass. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a comment. Let me know if you'd like to see some more areas in Washington. I travel all the time. Certainly hope your day was as good as mine.